Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about what is finance. First of all, finance is a broad term of encompasses managing and invest money of preserve. Its increase or direct its use. Individuals, companies and the governments all engage in finance when they put the money to work. Finance encompasses lending and borrowing, saving, investing, and providing funding for new projects. Key takeaway: first, finance can be broadly divided into three categories: public finance, cooperative finance, and personal finance. People engage in finance when they manage money to use it more effectively or increase it. Finance is also as academic subject to subcategories including social finance and behavior finance. How finance works? Finance is typically broken down into three broad categories: public finance, cooperative finance, and personal finance. Public finance includes tax system, government budget, procedure and instruments, debt issues and other government concerns. Cooperative finance involves managing liabilities, revenues and debts for business. Personal finance defined all financial decisions and activities of individual or household including budgeting, insurance, motor garage planning, saving and requirement planning. Key finance terms: assessed. An asset is something of value, such as real estate or property. A business may have current assets or fixed assets. Second, balance sheet. A balance sheet is a document that shows a company assets and liabilities, subtracts the liabilities for assets to find the from, and net worth. Cash flow. Cash flow is a movement of money into or out of business and households. Compound interest. Compound interest is calculated added unlike simple interest, which is interest added the principal only time. This result is interested begin charged not only the principals but it's not interested already accused. Equity. Equity means the ownership. Stock are called equity because each share represent or protection its ownership in the corporation of Intraday. Liability. A liability is a financial obligation such as a debt, and liabilities can be current or long term. Liquidity. Liquidity refers to how easily as assets can be converted to cash. Real estate is not very liquid invest because it can take weeks, months or even long to sell. Profit. Profit is the money that left over after expenses. A profit and loss statements show how much business earned to last particular period. History of finance. Finance crosses as a study of theory and practice distance from field of economics in 1940 century and 1950 century. It's begin with the work of Harry William. Particular realms of finance such as a banking, lending and investing have been around in some sense of down civilization, but financial transactions of early summers were human around 1800 BCE. Set a rule regulate ownership or renter of land, employment of agriculture, labor and credit. Yes, their loans are back then, and yes, interests are charged of them. Rate varied depending on whether you were borrowing gain or silver. Easily stock, bond and options. Claim the at the home first exchange with a ant paper dating back is to 1531 to East India Co. become a first publicly traded company in 1600 century as it issued stock and paid dividends on proceed in Vyogas. The London Stock Exchange cheated in 1997 and they followed the New York and London Exchange around since 15th-17th century as a royal exchange. Government began issue debts for funds efforts during the Middle Age. The Bank of England can be created a financial British Navy in the 1600th century. The United States began issuing treasury bonds support regulation or nearly a century later. The early prices bond through the philosophers in 4th century. Today we discuss about finance. This is my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you for all. Have a nice day.